Moving on, hell, the one will be say somebody try to rescue goat to come out from inside well. Don't lead now to the death of a 45-year-old man for inside Oyo State. As the State Fire Service still also confirm, say them bring out the dead body of another person from a separate well accident. This first one being happened for Mokola area of Saki, for Saki West Local Government area of Oyo there, where they say this man enter inside deep well just to say want to save a goat, but unfortunately this man can't go hang inside the well, so he die go from there. As they confirm this story, the person they give sense to special to Governor Seyi Makinde on top of fire reform, and I still be the chairman of the State Fire Service, Moruf Akinwande, say them for fire service being receive a call exactly 23 minutes after 10 o'clock for night on Monday. Hell, Akinwande say these two things then way happen so where two people die for inside well. They show the danger where they for person to enter inside small spaces them like well without to properly safety or procure yourself. You can't tell people the way they live there, say I beg in a case of emergency make them make sure say then they safe and protected.